Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox and review SHIVEXIM bicycle waterproof light. You can buy this light from the description below and help out the channel. As you can see, this is a nice packaging and we have the features mentioned on the box. Here we can see the parts. The charge To charge this, please use a 5 volt 1 ampere charger only. Fast charger will not work on this light. When we open this, inside we can find the user manual. Please pause the video here if you want to read this. And here we have the light itself. It's a stylish light and has a quick connect. Here we can see the flasher, the power button, and this is the mounting harness. The harness is very sturdy and I have used it on rough roads as well and it has held well. This is the USB charger. So let's look at the light now. We can see this has a charging port on the back and it has a dust cover. It protects it from water as well. And I have used this light for more than 3 months and it does great. At the end of the video we'll test this light. Now let's move on to installing this light on my bicycle. Remove the harness from the light by pulling it and unscrew the quick attach screw. I tried to install it on the narrow section of the handlebar, but I had to move to the thicker section as it did not fit on the narrow section. Just screw it tight and slide the light using the quick connect. It's a nifty feature and you can take the light with you whenever you are going away from your bicycle so that it can't be stolen or to use it for charging. Now let's test this light. So it has 4 modes. The high beam, this is very good and it has a good visibility. This is the low beam and this is the flash mode. And the fog mode is also there, but we won't be able to see it now as there is no fog right now. To switch to hazard mode, you have to long press the button and it will switch to this mode, and it is good for high visibility when you are crossing roads or something like that. We can see the amount of charge left in the light by using the indicator on the top of the light. It has 4 LEDs and it each represent 25% of the battery. And while charging, it will blink while it is charging, and once the charging is done it will stop blinking. So that's it guys, please like the video and comment for more questions. See you next time.